In this video, we're going to be writing the C major scale. Now remember, the formula to write a major scale is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. And also, the first note of the scale is the name of the scale. Since we need to write a C major scale, our first note is going to be C. Now, to find the second note, we need a whole step. But from C to the next note, which is a black key, which is the C sharp, is a half step. So we're gonna have to go from C to D to make it a whole step. Our next note is going to be D. Again, from D to the next note, we need another whole step. Now, from D to the next note is G sharp. It's a half step. So our next note is going to be E. From D to E is a whole step. So we put E. Now we need a half step. From E to F is naturally a half step. So we just put F. Now from F to the next note, we need a whole step. Now from F to F sharp is a half step, but we need a whole step. It has to be F to G. So we put down G. Now from G to the next note, we need a whole step. Now from G to G sharp is a half step, but from G to A is a whole step. So our next note is going to be A. Now from A to the next note, we need another whole step. From A to A sharp is a half step, but from A to B is a whole step. So our next note is B. Lastly, we need a half step. From B to C is naturally a half step. So we just put C. Now we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Let's play them. Okay, now just so you know, for the major scale, C major is the only scale that doesn't use any sharp or flat. After that, every other scale is gonna need 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 or 6, even 7 sharp or flat to follow the same formula.